Hello and welcome. In the last two videos, we covered the basic probability review. From this video, we will review some example problems. The first problem states that a card is drawn at random from an ordinary deck of 52 playing cards, and we are interested in finding the probability that the drawn card is an ace. Let's first define our sample space. In this case, it is made of spades, hearts, diamonds, and clubs, where each of spades, hearts, diamonds, and clubs contain 13 cards from ace to king. So there are 52 cards in the sample space. We are interested in the event that the drawn card is an ace. Now it can be an ace of hearts, spades, diamonds, or clubs. So there are four possibilities of picking an ace from an ordinary deck of 52 cards. Then the probability of A, which is the probability that we drew an ace, is equal to 4 divided by 52, which equals 1 divided by 13. Now let's change our problem a bit. We are still interested in knowing what card is drawn, but now we want to find the probability that it is a 10 or a spade. Again, our sample space consists of 52 cards, and the event in this case is that the drawn card is a 10 or a spade. So let's see how we find the probability of an event, whether a card drawn is a 10 or a spade. Using theorem 6, we can write this as a probability of 10 plus probability of spades and minus the probability of both 10 and spades. You can also check the basic probability part 1 video on my channel to learn more about theorem 6. Remember, to avoid double counting, we subtract the probability of 10 and spades, since it is already included in both the probability of whether the card is a 10 and the probability whether the card is a spades. So just like the previous example, the probability that the drawn card is a 10 is 4 divided by 52 or 1 by 13. Then the probability that the drawn card is spades is 13 by 52 or 1 by 4. And the probability that the drawn card is both 10 and spades is 1 by 52. This gives us the answer, which is the probability that the drawn card is a 10 or a spade is 4 by 13. In the next video, we will cover another problem. Please subscribe, share, and like this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.